In this video, we will discuss about the interconnection of the ECM and the immune system. So, before going into the topic, let us understand what is ECM means for our new viewers. ECM is the extracellular matrix that surrounds the cells or tissue, and in order to move any cells or tissue, it needs to have some impact on its surrounding extracellular matrix. So we will understand those impacts and the connection between ECM and the immune system. So we will start with this first figure, which talks about the ECM and the connection of this ECM on the immune cells. So in this case, what people have find out is that during T cells migrations, the extracellular matrix surrounding the T cells are usually thin matrix fiber, so that will facilitate the T cells to migrate from one region to another region, or from its region of origin to the site of requirement. And and if there is this extracellular matrix is cross-linked, or it's not a thin fiber matrix, then it will inhibit the T cells migrations. And this could be one of the strategies that has been used by the solid tumors, in terms of forming this kind of cross-link matrix along with other strategies in their tumor microenvironment. So this is how one of the strategies that a cancer cell used for the immune evasion. And next panel is about the impact of aging on this extracellular matrix. So this is the on the figure on the left side of the panel B is before aging, and we can see that T cells can move easily, and the uh, cross-linked in the T cells is cross-linked in the extracellular matrix around the T cells are not very high. Whereas with aging, what has happened is that the cross-link around the extracellular matrix near the T cells or the immune cells has increased, and thereby preventing the immune cells to reach the uh, site of the infection, or the site where it is required. So this could be one of the reasons why the peoples with aging face difficulty or have low immune response. And along with that, what people have find out is that there is less control on the pro-inflammatory signals has been observed. For example, in this before aging case, the pro-inflammatory signals such as C gas, stings are been controlled through this YAP and TES gene, upregulations of YAP and TES gene. However, in this uh, not upregulation, through the production of this YAP and TES uh, genes. So, however, with aging, what has been find out is that this YAP and TES genes goes down regulated, and this will promote more pro-inflammatory signals. So, in this case, so this could also leads to uh, this also leads to imbalance between pro-inflammatory and anti-inflammatory signals within the aged patient or aged person, that might cause them uh, disease related to this balance between pro-inflammatory and anti-inflammatory response. Next, we will understand the effect of immune cells on the ECM, the reverse effect. So in this case, what people have find out that the interleukin 6 production by the immune cells will help this MUC5AC productions, or we can say that the sulfation in the mucin can be increased through this interleukin 13 productions, which is usually formed by the immune cells. So this will help in restoring the uh, mucin, in which the sulfations has been found to be reduced. So in this case, the ECM helps to restore the extracellular matrix through this interleukin 13 productions, extracellular matrix behavior through the intercellular 13 productions that will cause this MUC5AC upregulations, and also the sulfations, because of the sulfations, and also the sulfations of this mucin. And next is the things, this in this strategy what has been found out is that the immune cells can carry the extracellular matrix with themselves, can carry with the help of integrin at the site of injury, and thereby decreasing the time to repair the wound, which would take more times by generating extracellular matrix at the site of wound. So these are some of the examples of the interconnection between ECM and the immune system. If you need to understand more about this interconnection of the ECM and the immune system in detail, you can go through the reference that has been provided in the description. That's all for this video. Thank you for your time.